Dear students, today in this video I solve problems on Lagrange interpolation formula. So, and one thing here, there is no rule your x values are equally distributed or unequal distributed. For example, if x value is equally distributed, means the difference between the x value is near same, then we use Newton forward or backward interpolation formula. If this x value is unequally distributed, then we use Newton general interpolation formula or Newton divided difference formula. But here in this case there is no rule if x is equally distributed or unequally distributed. So here in this problem we have to find y of 4 value using the given data. Given data value x value 0, 2, 3, 6 and corresponding y value minus 4, 2, minus 4, 2, 4, 158. So here it is very simple. Carefully listen here. You have to find y of 4 value now. So that is 4. 4 is the x value. This 4 is subtract with 2, 3, 6. That is 4 minus 2, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 6 divided by, in denominator, in numerator we neglect 0 now. So in remaining term we subtract with 0. That is 0 minus 2, 0 minus 3, 0 minus 6 into minus 4. Simplify, we get one term plus. In second term, neglect second 2 value. Remaining 0, 3, 6 subtract with 4. That is 4 minus 0, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 6 divided by, so in numerator we neglect 2 na, so in denominator subtract with 2, that is 2 minus 0, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 6 into 2. Okay, plus come to third term. In third term, in numerator neglect third term, the remaining third term is subtract with 4, that is 4 minus 0, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 6 divided by, in numerator we neglect 3 now. In denominator the remaining term subtract with 3, that is 3 minus 0, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 6 into 4 plus, in fourth term neglect last term, the remaining term subtract with 4, that is 4 minus 0, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 3 divided by, in denominator subtract with 6, that is 6 minus 0, 6 minus 2, 6 minus 3 into 158. Now simplify here, which is equal to y of 4 is equal to 4 minus 2 value 2, 4 minus 3 value 1, 4 minus 6 value minus 2 divided by 0 minus 2 value minus 2, 0 minus 3 value minus 3, 0 minus 6 value minus 6 into this one, okay, into minus 4 plus 4 minus 0 value 4, 4 minus 3 value 1, 4 minus 6 value minus 2 divided by 2 minus 0 value 2, 2 minus 3 value minus 1, 2 minus 6 value minus 4 into 2 plus, come to third term, 4 minus 0 value 4, 4 minus 2 value 2, 4 minus 6 value minus 2 divided by 3 minus 0 value 3, 3 minus 2 value 1, 3 minus 6 value minus 3 into 4. Next, last term, 4 minus 0 value 4, 4 minus 2 value 2, 4 minus 3 value minus 1, 6 minus 0 value 6, 6 minus 2 value 4, 6 minus 3 value 3 into 158. Now simplify here. This minus minus cancel, this minus minus cancel, here we get 1 minus minus 1 2 cancel, any other term, here 2 1s are 2 3s are, so here 4 is there now, so 4 divided by 3 3s are 9 minus 4 by 9. Come to second term, here this minus minus cancel, so here minus is there, so minus 4 4 cancel, 1 2 also cancel, we get 2 Next, this minus minus cancel. Any other term cancel? No. 3 3s are plus 9. Next, 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 224 plus here minus 1 4 cancel. 2 1s are 2 3s are, so 158 divided by 9. Totally at last we simplify, we get f of 4 value 40. Like that we have to solve Lagrange using Lagrange interpolation formula. We have to find the y value corresponding x value. Now take another problem, that is we have to find y of 10 given x value 5 6 9 11 corresponding y value 12 13 14 and also 16. So here also y of 10 means here we take x is equal to 10. So first here there is no rule to write the formula. Okay, so y of 10 which is equal to, here also same concept, in first term neglect first term, remaining term subtract with 10, that is 10 minus 6, 10 minus 9, 10 minus 11 divided by, in numerator we neglect 5 na, so in denominator subtract with 5, that is 5 minus 6, 5 minus 9, 5 minus 11 into corresponding x value, sorry y value 12. Next to come to second term. In second term neglect second value, remaining 3 terms subtract with 10, that is 10 minus 5, 10 minus 9, 10 minus 11 divided by, in neglect in numerator neglect 6 na, so in denominator remaining term subtract with 6, that is 6 minus 5, 6 minus 9, 6 minus 11 into 13 plus, come to third term. In third term neglect third term, remaining term subtract with 10, that is 10 minus 5, 10 minus 6, 10 minus 11 divided by 9 minus 5, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 11 into 14 plus, come to fourth term. In fourth term neglect fourth term, remaining term subtract with 10, that is 10 minus 5, 10 minus 6, 10 minus 9 divided by 11 minus 5, 11 minus 6, 11 minus 9 into 16. Now simplify, that is y of 10 which is equal to 10 minus 6 value 4, 10 minus 9 value 1, 10 minus 11 value minus 1 divided by 5 minus 6 value minus 1, 5 minus 9 value minus 4, 5 minus 10 value minus 5 into 12 plus 10 minus 5 value 5, 10 minus 9 value 1, 10 minus 11 value minus 1 divided by 6 minus 5 value 1, 6 minus 9 value 3, 6 minus 11 value minus 5 divided by 13. Come to third term. 10 minus 5 value 5, 10 minus 6 value 4, 10 minus 11 value minus 1 divided by 9 minus 5 value 4, 9 minus 6 value 3, 9 minus 11 value minus 2 into 14 plus, come to last term, 10 minus 5 value 5, 10 minus 6 value 4, 10 minus 9 value 1, 11 minus 5 value 6, 11 minus 6 value 5, 11 minus 9 value 2 into 60. Now simplify, that is y of 10 which is equal to, this minus minus cancel, here minus minus cancel, 4 4 also cancel, we get sorry your 5 minus 11 value 6, 6 ones are 6 twos are, so here we get 2 plus here minus minus cancel, here minus, here 1 5 is cancel, we get 13 by 3. Next here minus minus cancel, 4 4 cancel, 2 1s are 2 3s are cancel, sorry, is into 16, not 4 1s are 4 4s are. So here which is equal to totally, here we get plus 35, 35 divided by 3. Next here plus 2 1s are 2 2s are 5 5 cancel, 2 1s are 2 3s are, which is equal to 16 by 3. Totally simplify, we get y of 10 which is equal to 14.666. Like that we have to find y value by using Lagrange interpolation formula. Thank you.